How to fix Windows cannot find C program files. For the first method, you want to simply reinstall the affected program. So go to search and type in add remove programs, click on it. If the program appears here that you're having a problem with, you want to click on the three dots, uninstall, then you want to install it. There may be a chance that the program is already uninstalled, but anyway, once it's been uninstalled from your computer, you just want to reinstall it again. For the second method, you want to find the program shortcut that's giving you a problem. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now you want to check target. Make sure that the target leads to a .exe file. So once you open up this and you see target, go down to the very end, make sure that it leads to a .exe file and then click on OK. For the last method, go to search and type in cmd. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Now once we're here, you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once you complete this scan, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.